What's the meaning of bongo? Bongo. Bongo.
Bongo. Bongo. The term bongo can refer to both a type of antelope found in Africa and a percussion instrument commonly used in Latin American and African music. The musical bongo typically consists of two small drums, one larger than the other, that are played with the hands. These drums produce a distinctive sound that is commonly heard in salsa, jazz, and other genres of music. As for the antelope, the bongo is known for its striking appearance, which includes large spiral horns and reddish-brown fur with white markings. It is considered an endangered species due to habitat loss and hunting.